Now, coming into the NDA preparation, now I got to know about NDA back in 11th grade. So I must have been 16 or 17. Of course, I think I saw Lakshya, I saw Top Gun, and just I was hooked. Um, there was only one thing I wanted back when I was in 11th, 12th. I did take up science because I was always smart in that balancing things out. I was always good academically. So मैं जो भी ये सारी चीज़ें sports वगैरह बोल रहा हूँ, this is all with the backdrop of I was class like 1 first or second always. So I was very good academically as well. And I just understood how to balance things out and how to prioritize things. So जब NDA की बारी आई, so I was like completely into that idea. But at the same time, I was, having science and I was preparing for AIEEE. So 50-50 effort. Like I was putting in 50% of the effort in AIEEE, but my whole heart, 100% of my heart and mind was NDA. Yeah, there were a couple of my friends. My best friend, he's still in the army. He's a major right now. Such an awesome guy. But him and I prepared together, and we were. I was all in, like, for the NDA. I would put in the physical effort, the preparation. Preparation was a little bit easy because मैं engineering के लिए practice कर रहा था, तो written exam वगैरह थोड़ा आसान ही होता है. The one thing I would definitely mention is I loved this effort. During this time जब मैं मेहनत कर रहा था अपने पे, अपने mental उस पे, अपने attitude पे, interview skills पे. This is when I'm 17, 18, but I really enjoyed this effort. ऐसा नहीं होता था कि मुझे किसी को बोलना पड़ रहा है कि तुम जाओ करो ये सब, NDA clear नहीं होगा. Nobody could challenge that idea. They saw how committed I was because it was not for them, it was for me. This is the first time in my life I was working really hard क्योंकि मुझे कुछ पसंद आया. So that's something I wanted to make sure. Now, getting into India, there was, the interview happened. So, funny story, मैं पहला attempt जो दे रहा था India का, that didn't work out because the form में ना, there are 3 sections you have to fill in. कि आप, what is your preference of armed forces? So, वो form भरना होता है. And मैंने last दिन तक नहीं भरा because I was confused, क्या preference डालूं. And there was some miscommunication between me and my dad, and he didn't mark it, and he just posted it without it. So I got a reply that आपका तो reject हो गया form ही reject हो गया. मतलब this is not even attempt. And I was so heartbroken because I was right at the age जब आप last attempt दे सकते हो. And I was like, shit, ये तो गया. मतलब I really thought कि भाई एक form की वजह से मतलब life will be different now. Your goals, whatever your hopes were, भूल जाओ. NDA नहीं होने वाला. But luckily, I had one more attempt. I realized कुछ महीने मेरे birthday पे बचे थे 18th. I could do one more attempt. I got shit ranked in IIT. I don't even know. I think मेरे time पे वो rank ही नहीं देता था, इतना बेकार rank था. And that was not a surprise. But I did get into, surprising part was कि I got into a tier 1 college in a very bad stream, engineering physics, which turned out to be great in the end. But उस time पे it was like one of the lowest, से college में 14-15 branches हैं. उसमें से lowest branch मुझे मिली. And I was like, done. Yes, boss. This is not my goal anyway. This is just a backup. So, tier 1 college backup मिल गया तो बहुत बढ़िया, जाओ NDA. You join the college after 2.5 months. You have midterms. Now, मैंने midterms नहीं दिए because I had to go to NDA SSB. That was my last attempt. So, I had to skip, and midterms are important. They form like 20% of your final marks in the year. So, I had no choice. I had to skip. I went to the SSB. SSB में गया, AFSB 1 देहरादून. Oh, what a life there. वहाँ पे क्या सीन है कि basically मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. So I used to only hang out with these like city literate guys, like, having their fun with posh music and cars or mobile phones and stuff like that. But वहाँ था भाई असली fun. मतलब AFSB में हमने इतनी बकचौदी करी, इतने मजे करे. So you're very serious and nervous. So लोग हर रोज ऐसे छंटते रहते थे. Like हर रोज, like, half of the people would be kicked out because of the scores and the exams. It was very rigorous. But जो time off मिलता था ना दिन में 2-3 घंटे, वो amazing होते थे. So those friends are still my friends. And इतनी बढ़िया memories थी because that was the first time I was outside my house 5 days. 5-6 दिन का SSB होता है. मैं सिटी से हूँ, मुझे ये सब इतनी आदत नहीं है कि किसी गांव में जाके कैंट है वहाँ पे तुम रह रहे हो, कुछ करने को ही नहीं है. मोबाइल फ़ोन ले लिया उन्होंने, तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ ह्यूमन ब्रेन की जो मैक्सिमम क्रिएटिविटी में बकचौदी होती है ना, वो होती थी वहाँ पे इन फन टाइम्स. और वहाँ पे कुछ लोग रिपीटर्स थे. मतलब लोगों ने 15 SSB दे रखे हैं. मैं कह रहा हूँ भाई मैं तो पहली बार आया हूँ. तो दे शुड टेल मी before each day कि आज ये होने वाला है. So that did help me prepare because I was prepared in the fundamental skills. I could talk, I could think, I could act. But वहाँ पे क्या फॉर्मेट है आज के इंटरव्यूज़ का, क्या फॉर्मेट है आज के जो भी वहाँ पे एग्ज़ाम्स होने, दे यूज्ड टू कोच मी उस दिन पहले कि हाँ जी ये होने वाला है, तो मैं सोचता रहता था उस बारे में। सो द वन थिंग आई रियलाइज ड्यूरिंग दीज टाइम्स इज ऑल्सो आई वॉज वेरी गुड एट विजुअलाइजेशन। मतलब मैं सोचता था ना कि ये इंटरव्यू में ऐसे ऐसे बोलना है, दैट हेल्प मी बिकॉज दैट वॉज लाइक अ रियल प्रिपरेशन आई वॉज डूइंग, अ रियल सिमुलेशन आई वॉज डूइंग. So even in those group activities and stuff, I was just to just think, who do I want to be looking like? Who मैं कैसा दिखना चाहता हूँ उस बंदे को जो मेरे को इंटरव्यू ले रहा है, जो सुपरवाइजर है, द ऑफिसर. हाउ डू आई वांट टू लुक इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम? That really helped me. So that was one thing that I picked up, and it has helped me a lot in life. Like just visualizing कि तुम्हें चाहिए क्या और तुम क्या होना चाहते हो. Just think about who that person is. सिलेक्शन भी हो गया, और ज़्यादा मज़े आए. So I'll put up some of the pictures from that time. And उसके बाद फिर मेडिकल के लिए जाने, आई थिंक हम वापस आए, 2-3 दिन में मेडिकल था दिल्ली में मेडिकल होना था. तो भैया मेडिकल के लिए गए, वहाँ पे सब कुछ सही आ रहा है, सब कुछ सही आ रहा है. आई साइड में दिक्कत आ गई, लेफ्ट आई में 0.25 आ गया. एंड दे सेड, मतलब उन्होंने तो कुछ नहीं बोला मेडिकल ऑफिसर ने, बिकॉज एग्जाम स्टिल गोइंग ऑन. सारे जो साथ में बंदे उन्होंने बोला कि हाँ तेरा एयरफोर्स रिजेक्ट होगा, तू आर्मी और नेवी तुझे मिल जाएगा और तू अपील कर सकता है बिकॉज तेरा नंबर आ गया, तुझे एयरफोर्स में नहीं लेंगे वो, बिकॉज एयरफोर्स इज़ लाइक कटिंग एज. 18 साल में यू कांट इवन हैव लेसिक, कुछ भी नहीं करवा सकते. यू शुड बी एकदम प्रिस्टीन वर्जन होना चाहिए, तो एकदम आँखों में एकदम शार्पेस्ट आइज. सो बहुत बुरा लगा बिकॉज दैट वाज एयरफोर्स वाज द नंबर वन थिंग आई वांटेड टू जॉइन. आई did not so much care about patriotism and things like that. If to be honest, I did not really care about patriotism because I think that at that point of time I was still forming my opinion. Who am I? Patriotism hota kya hai? Complete Indian. But would I die for the country? Would I take a bullet? That was like something that, as a 16, 17-year-old, I had not really addressed those concerns. But वो नहीं होने वाला. So appeal भी